Based on the poll that we had on our YouTube channel community, this was the one that you guys selected. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can prepare your pictures for a birthday artwork. And this is coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Eken the Precious from PG Clicks. Welcome to the channel. In this channel, we make video like this. If that sounds something that you're interested, you can consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Please, if you like any tutorial that you want me to teach, you can easily drop that on my comment section. All right, let's jump in. So this is the design we are going to do. So all you have to do is to come to your Photoshop. So from here, just come from new, our normal way, from new file. It's just a square design, 01080. You can see it, then 1000 resolution, then white background, 16 bits, great. So this is what you do. Then you bring in your ruler. If you have been following me, this is what you need to do. So guys, I would like you to follow me on Facebook, on my Instagram, then on my TikTok. So we are active there. I love the way you guys supported me in the last video. I'm so much excited. Thank you so much. I'm so much excited. We can do more. Our target is to reach 1K subscribers. So all the stuff that we'll be needing, the resources that we'll be needing, it is in our Telegram channel. It is in our Telegram channel. If you need it, just go to the link of this video. I will give you the link that will take you to my WhatsApp. Then from my WhatsApp, I will add you to the Telegram channel. That's the place you get every resources that we are using in this channel. So when you have imported this background, you come to filter. You come to filter and blur it a little bit. Yes, you can see here. You can see here. So you can blur it a little bit. So based on that, let's go back to this. All right, then after you have done that, we are going to import the pictures that we are using. That's when we'll be working on the pictures that we'll be needing. So this lady first. So these are the things you need to be checking. Like this now, this picture is still fresh. It doesn't have any artistical feel. Don't have any artistical feel. So I use Ctrl J to duplicate that, then delete the main one. Why I did that is so that the picture will have more ground, because I'm going to drag it. Then you place this one. Then after you have done that, then you create another empty layer. This layer is going to be a white layer. Then you bring your brush, increase your brush size, increase it. Then come to filter and come to blur. This is it. Then after I've done that, then we go back to that picture and go to filter and come to camera raw. If you have been following me here on my YouTube, you know that coming to Camera Raw is where we do the finishing work. It's where we do the finishing work. So let's just wait for it. So when you bring this picture to Camera Raw, what we are going to do here is just to give this picture an artistical feel. So the first way you can do that is to increase the clarity, increasing of the clarity first, then increasing the texture. And this dehaze is mainly if you want to darken it. If it's too light, you can use the dehaze to make it a little bit darker. Then vibrance, then you can desaturate it, then come to detail. Detail, you sharpen it. Yes, you sharpen it. Sharpen, give that design a feel of artistical feel. Yes, that artistical nature. Then okay. We have gotten the first picture. You can see it from this place. So the next thing we are going to do is to import the next picture of the lady. This is my friend. Her name is Goodness, a microbiologist student. And she's also a fashion designer. All right, so this is the next way I did that. So you bring her here, then under here, then you come to, we are going to also come to Camera Raw to do the same thing that we did here. You know, our picture here is very light, so we are going to do more of adding a little bit of the hairs, and also desaturating it a little bit. Then we increase the sharpening. Then we come to basic, a little bit of texture, a little bit of clarity. It's from the hairs that you remove the color totally, so you can see how I was able to get that feel. Then increase the vibrance while getting the main stuff. So that's it. At least this is okay for now. Alright, so I haven't getting this. Then you right click on this picture, come to blending option, because we need to add that glowing that you saw on her body. Yes, just come to outer glow. The outer glow here is going to be light. I just want it white. Yes, then that means that we are going to spread it. So I haven't done that. Just then the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this place now and increase this side. Increase this. What we are doing is so that this stuff will come out, that glowing stuff effect will come out very well. Yes, that's why we are dragging this. All right, so then I haven't done that. You can see it here. So I haven't done this. We are going to import this flower. So when you bring in this flower, what you are going to do is that you will blur this flower. You blur it. Just right click it. Then come to adjustment. Use saturation. We want to change it to green because we are working on a green stuff. So having done that, then just come here, right click on this, convert to smart object. Then having done that, look at what you do. This is the flower, just bring it down. Then come to filter, then go to this stuff and just blur it a little bit so that it will not be that too sharp. This is the most simplest birthday stuff I did. Then you bring the stuff up here for the next one. Then what you do now is just to bring this and this. You just drag it. So you can see now, look at it now. It's very okay now. The work is done already. Then you can come here and bring in the stuff. Then this one now is just a circle. So what you have to do is to come here, eclipse, then hold your shift. Under the first one now, you come to properties and remove that stuff. Come here and drag it. So this thing now we are going to duplicate it. That's Ctrl J. Under the Ctrl J, then you press Ctrl T to duplicate to reschedule it. Then under here, you come here, you can see now. Then under here now, you come to this same property, come to fill. Then here we're going to give it a gradient fill of green. I've already done something like that. So you can easily come here, select the green and select the lighter part. Then it's okay. Then the second one now, you come here, you come to opacity and reduce it a little bit. So that was how we were able to get this. So just come here, 23rd of January. I asked the lady for the picture. She said that I should not spread a picture like that, but it's well. So as for the pictures, I will not be releasing it because of her. But as for the background flower, will be ready. I'll add that in our Telegram stuff, our Telegram group. So this is just it. Then you come to this background. Come to this background and select it. Then press Ctrl J. Then delete this one. Then highlight everything and it will highlight everything. Then press Ctrl J and press Ctrl E. Then come to filter. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. So this is it now. So here now, what we are going to do currently now is to increase a little bit clarity, because we are doing the final touches. A little bit clarity, increasing the vibrance and removing a little bit saturation. Under the detailing, we sharpen it the more. Have you seen how I was able to get that my picture to have that feel? So this is how you can do that. I haven't done that, you can see it. So this is how you can get this. Please, thank you so much for sticking around till now. I'm so grateful for you guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also you can share with your loved ones. I still remain Eken the Precious. I will see you in my next video.